Lose weight fast. 15-minute fat-burning workout at home. Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, staring at your reflection, and whispered to yourself, "When did I lose control of my own body?" You notice the extra pounds around your waist, the heaviness in your legs, the shortness of breath when you climb the stairs. You feel your energy slipping away, little by little, day after day. And every morning, the same thought comes back. I want to lose weight, but I just don't have the time. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Millions of people over 40, 50, or even 60 struggle with the same challenge. You've tried countless diets, low carb, keto, intermittent fasting, only to give up halfway. You've bought expensive gym memberships, but after a long day of work, family responsibilities, and stress, who has the energy to drive to the gym, change clothes, and work out for an hour? And so, the cycle repeats. Hope, effort, failure, disappointment. Your body feels heavier, your joints ache more, and your confidence fades. But deep down, you still dream of the day you can look in the mirror and smile, because you feel healthy, strong, and proud of yourself. Here's the truth. You don't need a gym. You don't need hours of training, and you don't need complicated equipment to lose weight and burn fat. What you need is a simple, consistent, and effective method that fits right into your daily life. A method backed by science, trusted by experts, and proven by real people just like you. That's why today, I'm going to show you a 15-minute fat-burning workout you can do at home. Just 15 minutes. No gym, no fancy machines, only your body, your determination, and a small space in your living room. And don't underestimate it. Research from the American College of Sports Medicine proves that short, high-intensity workouts can burn as many calories as traditional long sessions. In fact, short bursts of exercise improve metabolism, reduce belly fat, and continue to burn calories even after you've finished. A phenomenon called EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or simply the afterburn effect. Imagine this. You wake up, drink a glass of water, put on comfortable clothes, and in just 15 minutes, you finish a powerful workout that leaves you sweating, energized, and burning fat for the next 24 hours. No wasting time, no excuses. Just results. And here's the best part. These workouts are designed for everyone. Whether you're 20 or 60, whether you're a beginner or someone who's exercised before, I will guide you step by step, explain the movements clearly, and show you how to adapt them for your level. So, if you've ever said, "I don't have time to exercise. I'm too tired to go to the gym. I can't lose weight no matter what I try," then stay with me until the end of this video, because this could be the turning point in your journey. This is not just another fitness video. This is about giving you hope, a clear path, and the tools to finally take control of your health and your body. Are you ready? Then let's dive into the 15-minute fat-burning workout at home that could change your life. 1. The real problem of weight gain. Most people think weight gain only happens because they eat too much. But the reality is more complex. Aging, hormonal imbalance, stress, lack of movement, and poor sleep all play a role. When you pass 40, your metabolism slows down by about 5 to 10% every decade. That means even if you eat the same food as you did in your 20s, you will likely gain weight. Sedentary lifestyle, office jobs, long hours sitting, and minimal movement. Hormonal shifts, lower estrogen, testosterone, and growth hormone reduce calorie burning. Stress and cortisol. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which promotes belly fat. Poor sleep. Lack of sleep increases ghrelin, hunger hormone, and decreases leptin, satiety hormone. Increased belly fat, linked with higher risk of diabetes and heart disease. Joint pain and limited mobility, making exercise harder. Emotional burden, frustration, loss of confidence, feeling trapped. Instead of extreme diets or long gym hours, the solution is short, effective, consistent workouts, plus natural lifestyle changes. That's why today's 15-minute fat-burning workout at home is a game changer. 2. The science behind short workout studies show that HIIT, high-intensity interval training, and short functional movements are as effective as longer workouts for fat loss. Harvard Medical School found that just 15 minutes of daily exercise can extend life expectancy by 3 years. Journal of Obesity Research reported that short, high-intensity workouts improve insulin sensitivity, burn belly fat, and boost metabolism. The afterburn effect, EPOC, means your body continues to burn calories for hours after finishing. 3. The 15-minute fat-burning workout plan. This workout requires no equipment, just comfortable clothes, a small mat, and your commitment. We will divide it into 3 parts. Warm-up, 3-minute. Workout, 10-minute. Cool down, 2-minute. Step 1. Warm-up, 3 minutes. Purpose: prepare muscles, avoid injury, activate metabolism. March in place. 1 min stand tall. Lift knees one by one. Swing arms gently. Breathe in deeply through your nose, out through your mouth. Circles. 1 min circle arms forward 30 sec, backward 30 sec. Loosen shoulders. Improve blood flow. Side to side step plus arm reach. 1 min step side to side. Reach arms overhead. Light cardio to gently raise heart rate. Step 2. Main workout, 10 minutes format. 40 seconds exercise, 20 seconds rest. Tabata style. Round 1. Lower body and core squat to chair. Beginner. Bodyweight squat. Advanced. 40s works legs, glutes, burns calories. Tip: keep back straight. Knees not beyond toes. Knee push-ups. Beginner. Regular push-ups. Advanced. 40s works chest, arms, core. Modify by keeping knees on mat. Standing side crunch. 40s stand. Lift knee toward elbow on same side. Targets obliques and balance. Round 2. Cardio. End. Core 4. March or jog in place. 40s beginner. March with high knees. Advanced. Jog with faster pace. Modified plank hold. 40s beginner. Knees down. Advanced. Full plank. Strengthens core, arms, and back. Standing kickbacks -40s extend one leg back. Squeeze glutes. Alternate legs every 20s. Round 3. Full body burn 7. Step jacks. Low impact. Jumping jacks. Advanced. 40 slow impact for joints. Or classic jacks for intensity. Chair assisted lunges. Beginner. Forward lunges. Advanced. 40s builds legs and balance. Hold chair for support if needed. Modified. Mountain climbers -40 shands on chair. Bring knees toward chest slowly. For advanced, do on floor at faster pace. Round 4, power move 10. Standing punches. 40s stand. Punch forward with both arms. Twist slightly. Burns calories, relieves stress. Step 3. Cool down. 2 minutes. Slow march plus deep breathing. 1 min calm heart rate. Oxygenate muscles. Stretch 1 min reach arms overhead. Stretch side to side. Bend forward slowly. Release back tension. 4. Why this works: full body activation. Uses large muscles, gives higher calorie burn. Adaptable intensity. Works for beginners or advanced. Short duration. Just 15 minutes. No excuses. Consistency friendly. Easier to stick with long term. 5. Real life stories. Jane, 52, from London. I started with just 15 minutes every morning. At first, I could only do the beginner version. After 2 months, I lost 6 kilos. My knees hurt less, and I feel younger. Michael, 47, from Sydney. I never believed short workouts could work. But after 4 weeks, my belly shrank, my blood pressure dropped, and my doctor told me I was finally on the right path. 6. Natural solutions to boost results alongside the workout. Here are 4 natural, safe solutions backed by research. Hydration. Drink 2 to 2.5 liters of water daily. Helps burn 30% more calories. Journal of Clinical Endocrinology. Protein-rich. Breakfast. Keeps you full, reduces cravings. Eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts. Green tea or coffee. No sugar. EGCG plus caffeine equals fat oxidation boost. Sleep and stress control. -7 to 8 hours of sleep plus meditation lowers cortisol, prevents belly fat. Meal prep. Plan healthy meals in advance to avoid unhealthy snacking. You've just completed a powerful journey. A 15-minute fat-burning workout at home, designed to help you lose weight fast, build strength, and reclaim your health. Think about it. Just a quarter of an hour. No gym membership, no expensive equipment, only your body and your willpower. But in those 15 minutes, you have already sent a strong message to yourself. I am taking back control. I am choosing health. I am choosing life. And here's the beautiful truth. Consistency beats intensity. If you commit to this routine, 3 to 5 times a week, you will see real changes. Your waistline will shrink. Your energy will rise. Your confidence will return. The mirror will no longer be your enemy. It will be a reminder of progress. Remember, weight loss isn't just about burning calories. It's about building habits. And today, you've taken the first step toward a sustainable lifestyle. A lifestyle where 15 minutes in the morning can unlock hours of energy, positivity, and fat burning throughout the day. But don't stop here. Combine this workout with the natural solutions we discussed. Drink enough water, not choose protein-rich. Breakfast. Add green tea or black coffee. Sleep well and manage stress. Prepare meals in advance. These are not just tips. They are tools. And together, they will amplify your results. Now, I want you to imagine a few weeks from now. You wake up feeling lighter, your clothes fit better, and your friends notice the glow in your face. You walk with confidence. You play with your children or grandchildren without running out of breath. You feel strong and alive. That's the life waiting for you, and it begins with just 15 minutes today. If this workout inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more free health and fitness videos. Click the bell so you never miss new tips. Share this video with your friends and family. You might just be the reason someone else transforms their health. And leave a comment below. Which part of today's workout was your favorite? Which habit will you start tomorrow? I read every single comment, and I want to know your journey. For those who want extra support, I've added some recommended tools in the description. These products are simple but powerful companions to keep you motivated, accountable, and consistent. Finally, let me leave you with one thought. Health is not about perfection. It's about consistency. And every drop of sweat, every small choice, every 15 minutes, they add up to a lifetime of change. So tomorrow morning, when you wake up, don't just think about it, do it. Put on your workout clothes, play this video again, and take action. Because the best time to start your new life is now. Thank you for staying with me until the very end. I believe in you, and I cannot wait to see your transformation. Let's build a healthier, happier you together.